What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Shank. We have JEXtream 5G T-Mobile router. It's a hotspot basically. So I got this recently so that I could have a hotspot. I do have T-Mobile services, and with that being said, with T-Mobile, cheaper and better to go out and buy your own equipment, your own hotspot. Amazon link down in the description below for this product. If you go into T-Mobile, a lot of times they do not offer these hotspot boxes anymore, or they're $50 a month. Versus getting a SIM card. When you do that, you will save a lot of money. This box is only going to cost me $10 a month with my plan. Now, obviously, it depends on what plan you have, but let's dive into it. All right, so in the box came a charger. There's the charging port, and here's the device. First thing is first, in order to activate this, you have to put a SIM card in here. So right here, you can see this little part where my fingers, it pops right off. Here's the battery. The battery in here is a 5,000 milliamp battery, 3.8 volts. Pretty good battery. Pop this battery out. I'm going to cover up the information up here due to there might be MAC address information. Also, that's where your SIM card goes. So let's go on ahead and put in a SIM card. Now you slide the SIM card in, insert the battery, and then pop this right back on. It's that easy, guys. Now we're going to cut the unit on. Cut it on. And it should be ready to use. Next thing I'm going to do is go over here to the settings, Wi-Fi options. That's turned off. Display timeout, network, all the basic settings that you would need for settings. There's the about page. Device info will give you specifics about your device, different support, contact them. Device information will give you the phone number that's attached to the SIM card and your IMEI number. I'm not displaying that because it's confidential for each one. You can also track your data usage on here. I haven't started using the device yet, so it's not going to say all the total devices that are on here. This shows that it will support up to 10 devices. So you can track it. Wi-Fi settings. There is a guest Wi-Fi. We have it turned off, but it is available. We're going to go to the main Wi-Fi, and it will then tell you the information and your password. Also, if you want to change any of this, you just have to go to the website and log into the hotspot, which we will also do here in just a moment. So here we are on the screen of my computer. Log into the router. The website is going to be http mobile.hotspot. You're going to click enter. The default login in order to get to your settings page is going to be admin. That's the default password. After you put that in, it's going to prompt you to change it. I highly recommend you change it. I've already went on ahead and changed mine. After you log in, underneath here on settings under Wi-Fi, you can do multi-SSID. All these are selected off. This is the actual Wi-Fi name that it comes with. These are all the default settings. I have not messed with anything on here. This does support IPv6, which is nice. You can also have advanced tabs on here if you want to select channels. Also, this supports 5 gigahertz. Everything's set to auto. If you click on connected devices, it will actually show you the MAC address and all the devices connected to your network. If you click on the mobile side, this will also give you information about what type of connection you want. I have mine set to Wi-Fi only. There's SIM information. Then there's also device information. You can track your data usage, which is nice. You can change passwords, software update. You can run debugs on here. But overall, all these settings down here are going to be all IP based. So you can get into your firewall settings, your MAC filtering, LAN, all the good stuff for networking. But yeah, guys, there's not much to this. So far, I'm really loving this. I'm going to continue monitoring. The signal on this works amazing. A lot of devices where I have it sitting right now normally only get 2 or 3 bars. I'm getting 4 and 5 bars with it in my window. It says I have 5G. So I highly recommend this product. Link down in the description below if you would like to purchase this. You'd be supporting the channel by clicking on the Amazon link. But other than that, this is your boy Endless. Like, comment, subscribe. If you enjoyed today's content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll have more how-tos and unboxings and tech-related content coming your way. This is your boy Endless. Peace.